We are going to discuss about experiences in gender policy program implementation and mainstreaming. My first question will be, what are your experiences in terms of gender leadership and mainstreaming policy and strategy in your respective countries?
Regarding the experience of Ethiopia in gender mainstreaming, there is a national policy, women policy, which is issued during 1993, before the constitution of Ethiopia. And during that, within that document, it is clearly indicated the gender mainstreaming issue. Following that, there is a strategy, human development and change strategy, and this also reflects that IGAD, the whole activity of the country in addressing the women issue. The other important and considered to be exemplary, in each ministry mandate, the issue of mainstreaming is given to all ministry. So each ministry is accountable to mainstream the women and the gender issue. So from the mandate, from the policy, and from program level, we have ample experience, and also currently the 10 years perspective plan is designed in Ethiopia. It is already launched. In that document, it is clearly indicated the gender mainstreaming issue as a standalone area. So for program level, it is all guided, all the ministries are guided by this 10 years plan, and also guided by the policy and the strategy. So we have a policy and also a mandate that directs all ministries.
Thank you.
In Kenya, gender mainstreaming is anchored first and foremost in the Constitution, which is, of course, the mother law of the land. So the Constitution has provisions for gender and gender mainstreaming, issues of gender equality and freedom from discrimination, particularly articulated in Article 27, and also other articles on political representation, public appointments, and so on are anchored there. And of course, many other articles also articulate matters of gender. Alongside that, we have a national blueprint that has been in place for a while now, the Vision 2030, and one of the pillars, the social pillar, also articulates very well on gender mainstreaming across the sectors, and this blueprint is implemented through medium-term plans. Right now we are implementing the third medium-term plan of the Vision 2030. So all public sector institutions and the private sector also anchor their mainstreaming on that. And lastly, we also have a national gender policy. It's a national gender and development policy 2019. There was another one that was dated 2000. There have been reviews alongside. But in 2019, we had a new policy, revised policy passed, which also guides all sectors on gender mainstreaming. So at government level, again, we have a ministry in charge of gender, where I work, the Public Service and Gender, particularly the State Department for Gender, and we have gender focal points in ministries who mainstream gender. So that is in terms of the structure in brief. Thank you.
My experience in Uganda in gender mainstreaming, like Kenya said, comes right from the Constitution. The framework, gender and equality, is very clear in our Constitution. When you look at one of the articles, the affirmative action, Article 33, talks or looks at, addresses the imbalances that exist due to history, tradition and customs. And when you look at that, currently, if you see, the government is trying to do that through appointments at ministerial level. We have over 43% women representation in the cabinet. And then we have women parliamentary, about 32% in parliament. And we also have our vice president is a woman, and the prime minister is a woman. So generally, that shows that government is really serious about that. We have the Equal Opportunity Commission of 2010 that provides for, to ensure that discrimination, inequalities does not exist in the various sectors right at the bottom. We have the Public Finance Act of 2015 that provides that all sectors, ministries, and plans are mainstreaming gender, and they are assessed on annually to see their work plans and budgets and the policy papers to see if they're integrating gender and mainstreaming gender in the work that they do. The ministry, we have a Ministry of Gender, as Kenya said, that is expected to do mainstreaming. At the local government level, we have about 46% of women representation in the council. So we believe that Uganda is really trying a lot to do gender mainstreaming. Thank you.
Thank you. So we're going to the second question. What mechanisms are in place to coordinate, implement, monitoring and evaluate on gender issues across sectors in a better way in your respective countries?
The mechanism that's set in Ethiopia in ensuring the gender equality, so the MND system is, one is there is a directorate at each ministry, and also they are expected to plan according to the program and the strategy of that sector. There is annual and quarterly meeting. We meet with each gender focal points, and also there is a gender forum, and they have their own executive bodies. The other thing is we evaluate and also we give feedback for each sector's report. The other tool developed is a leveling tool to ensure how they incorporated the issue of the gender in their respective plan and program. So they will be leveled. The other is in Ethiopia, there is at the parliament level, there is a standing committee, women standing committees. So this committee oversight the activity of each ministry and also specifically our sectors. So at the higher level there is a parliament, and also at the federal level there is a ministry, and also at each ministry there is a gender directorate. There is a close working relationship between the gender directorate and our ministries, so the committee or the forum forward. There is also a geo and a geo forum. So with this kinds of mechanism, we can make the MND systems.
Okay, thank you. For Kenya, as I had mentioned before, we have gender focal points in each ministry, department, government agencies. So, and these focal point officers are coordinated by ourselves, the State Department for Gender. So through that mechanism, we are able to know and support the sectorial interventions and mainstreaming of gender generally. Alongside that, the ministry also coordinates a platform called the National Gender Sector Working Group, which is co-chaired by the Cabinet Secretary responsible for gender and the chair of the Gender Donors Group. So that platform brings together government actors, private sector, development partners, civil society organizations, academia, and all that to discuss and chart the way forward on gender and drive the gender agenda nationally. This platform is replicated currently up to the 47 counties. There is the county gender sector working groups, which mirror that national platform. And the relationship between the national and the county gender sector working groups is coordinated through a framework that was signed between the national and the county governments called the Intergovernmental Framework for the Gender Sector, which was signed again by the Cabinet Secretary responsible for gender and the Chair of the Council of Governors. So that also helps in coordinating matters gender right from the county level to the national level. So in terms of coordination, then at least all sectors are covered and both national and county governments are covered. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I think for Uganda is actually similar to Kenya with the structure at focal points at all the ministries, departments, up to the grassroots level, that is at sub-county and parish level. We have gender focal points officers. We have also a tool for assessment of gender responsive planning and budgeting that is done annually to see how the districts are mainstreaming gender in the work that they do. Ministries are doing that. As I said, there is also a certificate that is given for any plan and budgets to go through. There is a certificate given before plans are funded yearly. So there is that assessment to see that people are mainstreaming gender. Thank you very much.